Hello. This is Keshav. I'm a Python trainer in PYSpiders, and this is our student. She got placed recently, and she's going to share her experience.
Hi, myself Halamma. I joined the PYSpiders in the month of July. I completed BCA with 78%. I take the Python test, manual testing, Python testing, software testing with Python Selenium. The manual testing was taken by the Niranjan sir and Pradeep sir, and Python was taken by the Keshav sir, and SQL was taken by the Avinash sir, and Selenium is taken by the Lakshmi Prasad sir, and I learned all the testing concept very deeply and with lot of efforts. Every trainer supports very well. I don't have any knowledge on this testing concepts also, Python also, and when I came here I learned lot of things from here, not only technical, apart from life skills also. I am very loyal to the PYSpiders, and thank you sir.
Okay, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you sir.
Okay.